ಯಾರು
ಸರ್? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಬರ್.
ನಾಗರಾಜ್? ಓಕೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಗರಾಜ್.
See, the reason why I'm called you is because I'm seen in your garden you're having a lot of dry leaves. What is the reason?
Yeah, there are plenty dry leaves. Yes, that's right. You are right.
Why you're not cleaning the garden, sir?
May I know who are you?
Sir, see, nodi, I am your neighbor. I'm asking you for your own good. Why you're not cleaning that one?
No, that is right. We will take some time out and we will definitely clean it.
Yeah.
Now clean ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We will do it.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ, sir. Because see, I am having a habit of smoking a cigarette because I doesn't want
No,
to.
that is your habit. That is your habit. Why are you telling it to me?
Correct. If I'm going to throw a bud in your garden, I does not want it to get a burnt then, correct?
No, I didn't understand. That means you smoke cigarette, you come near our house and then throw the cigarette.
Yeah, that is what I'm doing.
You bloody you listen. First of all, you are calling, you are telling that you are my neighbor. Okay, idiot. I have never seen you. And you
See,
on top of listen,
don't
man,
use a language,
you
okay?
idiot, you are calling me and you are telling that you are throwing it in my garden and you are also polluting the environment.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, it is not about a pollution. ನೀನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will take a kerosene and then throw a matchstick. I'm warning you.
ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಿನ್ ತಲೆಗಿಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಏನು?
ರಾಸ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಅದನ್ನ?
ಯಾರಲ್ಲೇ ತಲೆಗಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸುಮ್ನಿರೋ, ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮನೆ ವಿಷಯ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ
Come on, quickly, give me a yen.
ಏನ?
Give me a yen.
ಏನು? ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
ಏನು? Give it to me.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಸಾರಿ, ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ ವಿಷಯ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು. ನೀನ್ ಯಾರು? ನೀನು ತಲೆ
Can I give me a Nagraj? You're wanting to argue along with me. I will burn it. I'm warning you.
ಸುಮ್ನಿಡಪ್ಪ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?